Oh, man. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're out today with the first drive of the Outcast 4S, and you're going to get some first drive impressions of this, and I do run it on 4S to start. So I've got my HRB 6000, and we're also going to run the Creighton 6S, so you'll see that running alongside of it. But for right now, we're going to go give this a run with its first impressions. First drive, Outcast 4S, full 4S power. Look at how weak the servo is to start, although that's the servo saver, not necessarily the servo. There we go. It's got a bit of a delay on the ESC. Throttle rate is at max, throttle, everything's at max, but there is a significant delay when you pull the trigger.
It seems super smooth though.
Yeah. Oh. So guys, I am at our local track. We just finished building it, and we're gonna go give it a try on the semi-prepared track surface. Nice. Look how stable the Creighton is. Whoa, whoa, oh man. This thing's manic. Oh man. Hope we got that on video. Nice, nice. Aww.
It does backflips really easy as soon as you hit the brake it stops.
It's so easy on the throttle with this thing. Oh, almost. We are definitely durability testing these new cars. Oh. She's not new anymore, boys. She's not new anymore. The steering is very lazy. Up and around, yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the first drive of the Outcast 4S. It's pretty manic. I'll show you some more after how it works on 2S, 3S, 4S, and on different surfaces and stuff, but we're just having some fun with it. Whoa, we lost a wheel nut. We just blew off a wheel nut. That's all, it just backed off. There's a good thing to see. Thanks. Other way. Look at this young little mechanic working on my Outcast 4S. Oh, you got it. So that was something that we wondered if would be durable, is that they're using these wheel nuts, which are a 8 or 7 mil with a flange on it, and it's a little bit odd for a tire that big. So we just need to screw it back on. You're gonna need a tool though. It's not gonna be a hand-tight fix. Arrma brothers are battling. Creighton 6S, Outcast 4S. Nice! ...2019 racing season, GFX Raceway is going to be pretty fun. This is not a truggy track, but we're just out here just enjoying our time. Nice. My poor new truck. Oh, that's a good wing durability test.
Yeah, I won't do that.
Nothing's broken though, nothing's broken. All that's happened is a wheel nut came off. Beautiful. All right, damage report, it survived, all that. And we didn't even end the battery, we just, it's just getting late, so I shut it down. But overall, the plastic chassis holds up even better than the metal one does for scrapes, but the Lexan plastic certainly took a fair beating. So I scraped it up here from the pins, and it was scraping on its roof a lot, but a lot of that will buff out. Anyway, this is a stunt truck basher, so it is not going to look nice for very long, but overall, that was a very successful first run, and after all that abuse, the only thing that happened was one of those new wheel nuts came off, and that could have just been loose from the factory because I did not check any of the screws from this out of the box. So overall, good experience. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you aren't here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave. Whoa, we lost a wheel nut.